Hi Prajwal, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Fine, sir.
Great.
Yeah.
So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Prajwal today with us. He has recently joined a company after completing his courses here at I-MEDITA. So today we are here to discuss about his training experience, what kind of preparation approach he took during his entire training course as well. We will also discuss about his educational background, about his industrial background. So hi Prajwal, welcome again to this session. So how are you doing and how it feels like getting your first job into the same domain in which you have done your courses and training?
Actually, it feels nice as I was expecting some company from networking background, but I got a company from aerospace background. So and working in this company is great. So that's like great. Yeah.
Tell us about yourself, your background into the IT industry. Are you a fresher? Are you a working professional? A quick introduction about yourself, please.
Okay. So basically, I am a fresher. I have done my bachelor's of computer application and also my master's of computer application. Then after that, I got to know about your training institute and joined it for a networking program and all. Yeah.
Okay. You enrolled here for which course?
Uh, uh, Networking like a multi-vendor.
Okay. So have you completed all the modules of that program or still some modules are pending?
Yeah, I have completed my CCN, CCNP and basic the networking security course, but FortiGate and all is pending.
Okay. So during the course itself, while you were pursuing the course, you got the opportunity and you joined there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Tell us, how was your overall experience during the training? You mentioned that you have completed a couple of modules. Tell us about your overall process which you have followed here. How was your experience here? From which trainer you took your classes? How much time you spent here on daily basis?
Okay. So basically, I have done my CCNA from Vikas sir. Actually, it was a hustle because my MCA was going on and my this training was going on. So due to that, I have to leave courses in between for the exams and for the practicals and all. But then I joined it again uh, in the same means in another batch with the same instructor. So like that, I have completed my CCNA. The Vikas sir is great. He explains in fully deep manner. So he explains us about the CCNA, and then after some time I enrolled in CCNP also. So the trainer was same for me both times. And for networking security course, the basic networking security course, my trainer was Baldev sir. So he's a great sir, like in teaching wise. Yeah.
Okay, you also attended PD classes and interview preparation classes also?
No, I didn't attend that as I was means hustling in between both of my college and all that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And labs wise, on a daily basis, how much time you were spending with your classes with lab practicals?
Basically, like I don't means I study in a manner that I don't study from a books. I try to discuss things with my friends and all. So by that I can grasp the knowledge easily. So I was doing the classes through the instructors. Then after that, some lab practice I was doing, and after that I was discussing the topics with my friends and colleagues. Through that, it was enough like 2 hours of classes and 4 hours after that,
Okay, so
approx 4 hours.
approximate 5, 6 hours you were
Yeah,
spending every day, right?
daily. Yeah.
Okay. And this is the first time you have enrolled here in iMedita to pursue these kind of courses. What motivated you to join iMedita? There are many other players, many other training providers are there offering similar kind of training and courses. What motivated you or why you opted for iMedita?
So basically networking field is completely new for me. I means I have not heard it like from anywhere, but after my BCA my brother has done the courses and he got placed through your institute. So he recommended me to join that, so that uh, even if I didn't get a job in a software, you will have another field backup as networking. So by that, from his word of mouth, I got to know about your institute. I joined it, but it turns out to be a great because the development domain is down, and networking domain you can go into any company and you will get job in networking domain. So yeah, it turns out great.
Okay. I am sure, Prajwal, when you enrolled here, because your friend, your brother recommended you, but still there'll be certain expectations at that time in your mind that I am going
Hmm.
to learn this, this is what I expect during the course, this kind of practical approach I expect before enrolling. Now, when you
Okay.
enroll, when you have completed certain modules, I would like to understand whether we were able to meet those expectations which you were having prior beginning this course.
Actually, there were certain boundaries. As I was pursuing my college, I wanted some institute that has a 24 lab access, so I can go at night or at Sundays, Saturdays. So that was my first requirement. And rest is like Vika sir is great. You can go and means if you don't understand some trainees instruction, you can go to another. There are some other trainees who are also providing the same courses. So you can switch between instructors and all. The whole institute is great. You can do a lab practice there. Physical switches routers are there. So and also for the further firewall and you provide cloud access. So whole thing is like seamless for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are the two, three major things you liked here at iMedita?
First thing was 24-hour lab access, and also on weekends we can come. And second is the colleagues are very friendly. As I told you, I don't study through books. I generally study through discussions and all. So colleagues are very friendly. I tend to ask maybe much questions to them, and they were friendly and cooperating with me on my questions and doubts.
Okay, great. What all book study material you have followed during a training program or the material which you have got from iMedita, the videos of the live classes which were available on portal, those were sufficient.
Those were sufficient. Mostly those were sufficient.
Okay.
Yeah.
And based on your experience here at iMedita, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Because I got the job. I am happy. And in that also in like very nice company. So I am happy about it.
Okay. How many interviews you have given in last couple of months?
Uh, Approximately 4 or 5 something.
Okay, four,
Yeah.
five
In
interviews.
that also I got selected in two, yeah, three. And I choose this.
Okay, great. Great. And would you recommend our training and courses to your other friends as well if they are seeking opportunities in this
Yeah,
area?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, it's like no doubt questions. There are some friends now also there are some friends who was asking me to what they should do. So yeah, I would recommend it them to do it.
Okay. Now, since you are not a fresher now, you have got a
Yeah,
job, you got into
yeah,
a that trajectory now.
yeah.
So, what advice would you give to someone who's a fresher, recently completed their degree or undergoing their programs? What suggestion, what advice would you give to them today?
Basically, don't waste your time doing only the college stuff. You should do some extra stuff with that because after college, there isn't any chance that you will get a job or something like that. Most of the companies will give you unpaid internship and all, but that doesn't make sense. So, if you are in a college, do some courses, do some networking stuff, anything that you like, do it. And after that, after college, you will have a job. At least you will have a job. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Right. Also, I would like to clarify through you. I have that knowledge and that idea, but I would like to understand from you. Many freshers, they assume that without certification, we might not get job in, let's say, networking domain. So they need to have CCNA global certification,
Hmm.
sometimes CEH global certifications. Okay. So we have seen this many freshers, they run after certifications. Okay.
Yeah.
I would like to know from you, do you have any such certification? You mentioned that you were doing group learning and group activities. So during your last previous couple of months, you might have interacted with other people also, those who got jobs.
Hmm.
So how much important these certification played an important role for you and for your other friends?
So basically, uh, for me, the companies weren't asking any certifications that you should have a global certification or because we are freshers, so they don't ask us about the certification. They test us the knowledge that we have. They ask us the questions about networking, firewall, uh, operating systems, and all. They ask us the question. They will test our knowledge and they will hire us according to that. if a company wants a global certification, mostly my one friend got into company, uh, they were asking the global certification. So the company suggested him that they tested their knowledge. They when he joined the company provided him the fund for the global certification, and through that he has done the global certification. So don't run after global certification. If the company required, either they will fund you or they will give you reimbursement according to that.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Because we have seen this. Many students, many freshers, they run after certification. I'll do CCNA,
Hmm.
I'll get a job. Mostly, what we have seen, yes, few organizations they have this criteria, but out of 100, I would say
Very
hardly
less.
2, 3, 4 organizations
Yeah.
require. Otherwise, 90-95%, if you have good command over the concepts, practically you know the concepts, communication wise, you are good, professionally, you are able to present yourself in a very effective manner during an interview, you will have a lot of jobs available
Yeah.
without global certifications.
And that 2-3% of the company that require the global certification is basically for their client, as their
Right,
clients requirements are there for the global certification. So for that they require, but basically they will test your knowledge only.
right, right. So thank you, Prajwal. Thank you for
Yeah.
giving us your valuable time. I have a last question for you. Do you have any suggestion and feedback for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
Right now, no suggestion.
Okay.
Everything is great in your institute. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Prajwal. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. All the very best for your future endeavor. This being your first job as a fresher, company also have a lot of expectations. They
Yeah.
expect you to take a lot of initiatives, support your seniors, and create a wonderful environment so that you are also contributing to the company, to your team, to your overall organization growth. So thank you once again and all the best. Keep learning whatever modules you have missed, you have not completed. Do them whenever you
Hmm.
have time during weekends and once you get settled. So all the best and take care.
Yeah. Thanks, sir.